guys, it's me, Jacob Cheek. And this is my brother's new Nerf gun. Like, here's the Nerf Ninja Legends Shadow Sensei. And next, here's Fortnite Legendary Tack. It's a revolver with a cylinder with pump action. So, the rest, like a rocket launcher, like the shirt, whatever it is. And we have more. So, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.